Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So some of you might have seen on Instagram, I'm a dad now to my son called Caspian, who is a hamster. I've been a dad for about a week, and since I brought him home, he's done a lot of poos. Like the first night that I brought him home, I got him at about 6 o'clock, brought him home, and by about 12 he'd done loads of poos and collected them all and put them in a pile next to his little food bowl. So he needs changing, like his house needs cleaning regularly, and now is the time when I need to clean it. So I thought you guys could help me clean him out. He's currently in his little tube because I was a bit of a naughty dad the other night and tried to get him out of his house a bit too much, so I don't think he felt safe. So then he came into this tube, brought all his bedding in here and made a little bed in here with all of his bedding. But then I got him back in his house and stuff, so he's fine now. But sometimes he just comes and chills in this little cage, in this little tube, and has a nap. It's a bit hard to get him out, but I'm gonna have to get him out somehow. Like most people say, if they hide somewhere, try and get them out. But it's either get him out and clean the cage, or he will be ill from the cage being too dirty. So I'm gonna try and get him out. I'll let you meet him properly as well. So let's see if we can get him out. Caspian, wake up. Hey. Caspian, he's smelling my fingers because he knows the smell of me now. Wake up. Wakey, rise and shine. It's time to go out of this tube because we're going to clean you. Come on. This way. No. Don't start napping again. Come on. I'm sorry I had to wake you up, but you need cleaning because you're scruffy gunner who shits everywhere. He's just so lazy. Like hamsters are nocturnal, so they come awake at night time, so he's just like me. So he's a boy after my own heart. He definitely takes after his dad, but also he's so lazy. Come on. There we go. Keep going. That was a big yawn. Let's go. Lazy boy. Let's go. He's following the tapping because he knows that that's me trying to get him out so I can hold him. You have to have a lot of patience with hamsters because they just take the piss sometimes. Come on. Once he's out of the tube and on the bottom part here, then I can just take the lid off. Come on. That's it. Caspian, it's your dad. Come on. He hasn't been in his wheel yet, so you can tell how lazy he is. Okay guys, with a little bit of coaxing and that, I managed to get him out of the tube and into the bottom part so we can say hello properly, and so I can start cleaning the top of it. Hello you. Come here. We can see if he does a wee, because he weed on my bed the other day. So that's how they wee. And he does it in the same place every time. Your feet have just went in it. Come here. You've got a bit of sawdust on your face. That's who he is. This is Caspian Lennox, and he poos everywhere, so yeah, I'm just going to put him back in there for now. I'm going to start cleaning the rest of the cage first of all, starting off with his little house. Let's see what he's done inside of here. Don't even think about climbing out either, because he tries to climb out and never gets very far, but he tries. Right, there he is. Right, let's see. He's packed a lot of shit in there. I was thinking about getting him a bigger house, but I think he likes it small so he can pack as much shit in there as possible. The guy in the there's loads of food in there that he's packed away just in case anybody tries to pinch. The guy in the pet shop said for the first 24 hours try not to handle him too much, but then after that you can handle him as much as you want. But for the first 48 hours we didn't dare pick him up because we were trying to get him out of his house, and we pissed him off one night and he started squeaking and kicking the sawdust everywhere. So we were like, what the fuck? We didn't want to fuck him off too much, so just left him for a bit. So the other day, probably after 4 days of having him, was when I held him properly. I didn't think you liked me very much. You're not going over there. Get back down. I'm sorting your bedroom out now. Ah, get down. Don't bother kicking off. And the guy in the petrol was like, so who are you getting it for? Are you getting it for a kid? Or I was like, for myself. And he was like, oh well, yeah, a lot of people when they feel a bit lonely, they might want to get a little pet or a hamster. I was like, yeah. Not that I'm like lonely or anything, but I just wanted a hamster, like, for no other reason. I'll let him say hello to you once more before I put that back in there, because as soon as I put that in there, it'll go straight in and won't come back out. Hey. Here he is. He's just sniffing everywhere. Doesn't know what to do. He's trying to find a way to the floor, but I know if I put him on the floor, he'll go straight under like the fridge or the bed or something, and I won't get him back out. Right, I'm going to put you back now. Say bye. Say bye to everyone. He's like, I don't give a fuck, I'm just trying to get back to my little bedroom. You can go back in your bedroom in a second. Right, there you go. Right, so his bedroom's done. If I put him in here now, if I put this in here, I mean, he'll go straight in it, and then I'll be able to clear the sawdust and stuff out of there. So, Caspian, here in your house. I don't know what he's doing. Something weird. Caspian, come on. What the hell is on the end of your feet? What's on your feet? I thought his foot was bleeding there. I thought he had a bloody nose the other day as well. So I haven't had him very long, so I haven't been able to teach him any tricks yet, like how to do backflips, roly-polies. He wants to be out. Come on. Come on then. There we go. He's going in his little house now. His little bedroom. So I'll take this out. There he is. He's just like getting adjusted to the new bedding and stuff. So I'm going to put this in this bag. That's the only place that it'll be safe. I'm not going to put him in there because, come on. Get back in your house. Oh my god, never work with kids or animals. All your old bedding is in there, but also loads of germs from like shopping and that. Caspian, get back in your house. Get back in there. He just like doesn't know what the fuck to do. Caspian, I've done this all wrong. I never put him in the bag last time. Caspian, come on. Get back in your house. Caspian, last time I did this, I had somebody to hold him in the house, and at that point he was too scared to come out of the house, like when somebody was around, so I could just leave him with them until I'd cleared it out, but this time's different. Right, it looks like he's just getting adjusted in there, so I think he's a bit busy at the minute, so I'll leave him there. No, you stay in there. No! The only way you're coming out is on my hand. Right, you stay in there. I'm gonna have to put this. No! Hey! Come here. Caspian. No! Oh no. Right, he's gone in his tube, which is fine. Because that means that I can just quickly empty this out. This is turning out to be disastrous. Oh my god, that tube is so high. No. Never mind ASMR, this is anxiety. Sorry if this is a bit anxiety thing, but this is what I'm going to have to go through a couple of times a week being a dad, so you guys get to see firsthand what it's like. So I'm just sprinkling some sawdust in here. He likes it when I break it up, he doesn't like it when there's big chunks, so he's very particular like me, like his dad. He seems to be kicking off and running around quite a bit inside of that half a cage, so I'm going to have to try and do this quick because I feel like I'm pissing him off a bit. No, he's like climbing on the metal part. He's trying to find the way down from that tube that's like pointing upwards like that. He's trying everything. Oh my god. This kid's a nightmare. When I have him on the bed and stuff, he's just pegging it like everywhere. I want you to just be still for a bit. I'm going to get your bedroom back in a minute. I'm going to have to clean the tube out somehow. But to get him out of the tube, I'm going to have to try and coax him into his bedroom. I did not think being a hamster owner was going to be this much work, you know. I suppose if you want the thing, you've got to do the work as well, so... Right. Let me just put this on here. I'm going to put this down so you can get out of it. And then get inside of your bedroom so I can clean the tube out. That's his food. He just has like little nuts and like dried shit. Like when the first day that I brought him home, he went and got like a piece of dried sweet corn or something out of here, and then I sneezed because I had the cage on my bed. I was laying next to him and I sneezed, and he just had the sweet corn in his hands like this and just went. And his little nose was going like this, but he just stayed there for ages looking at me like this. With the sweet corn like that. So I thought I'd broke him, but I haven't, because clearly he's fine now, I think. That's his little carrot. It's made out of wood and he bites it to keep his teeth nice and sharp or whatever. I also have a kitchen roll tube in there for him to run through, although he's getting a bit fat for that now, so I might have to invest in a bigger tube. But he does have this tube as well, so he also looks like he's getting a bit fat for this as well, but I don't know, he should be fine. If he starts struggling then I'll invest in a bigger thing, but like I said, I think he's fine. So next thing is to put some food in here. I think I'm just going to chuck his old food out because he's had it in there for a good few days now, so it's going to go in the bag, and then I'm going to put some in there. Hopefully, because he might vet all of the things that he likes the best, like the sweet corns and that, out of the other one. There might be some in here, and he might come and get them, so we'll be able to clean the tube out. Right, Catherine, come and get something to eat. Right, he's in the bottom of that tube now, so I'm going to try and quickly... I've clicked it, so he's like running back right now, scared. It's okay, it's just me, your dad. He's right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like he's squashed in that tube. I don't know if he does that on purpose, because most of the time he can walk through it fine, but if he tries to go, like tries to turn around, sometimes he just ends up squashed in it like that. He gets shorter, but he's honestly about this long when he's stretched out properly. It's mad. I'm going to come back later on when he's fucked off out the tube and went into his bedroom. I don't think you're interested, so I'm going to leave it for now. At least I did a bit of cleaning. You got to meet Caspian for the first time, so thank you guys for watching. We love yous, don't we, Caspian? Caspian's going to sleep, he doesn't give a shit, but he does love yous. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Love you. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.